And in today's class we'll study the use of PA30 and PA40. What is the use of PA40 and what is the use of PA30? So what basically we do in PA using PA40 and PA30 इन SAP HCM. सो SAP HCM में इनका यूज क्या है और कैसे करते हैं, क्या रीजन है कि हम करते हैं, राइट, क्यों करते हैं इसका यूज, एवरीथिंग विल बी फाइंडिंग आउट इन दिस session, right? So basically we'll have to understand the info types before proceeding for the class. So obviously if you are going to maintain suppose if somebody is saying that where you do hiring, so obviously your answer would be we do hiring in PA40, right? In transaction code PA40 we do hiring in transaction code using transaction code PA40. And what are the info types we use during the hiring process? So obviously your answer would be, so I can show you here. This is the hiring, right? So hiring, where we maintain hiring, we maintain hiring in transaction code PA40, and we maintain promotions as well in PA40 only, and termination in PA40 only. So what are the info types we use, what are the info types we maintain in PA40 for hiring purpose? So 4 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 7 and 0, 0, 0, 8, and also 9, 22 and 24 are used in the which transaction code PA40, right? So after that you can see in promotions what are the info types we maintain. We maintain 4 times 0, 0001 and 0008 as well. And you can see for terminations, the termination also updated in PA40, and the info types are 000, 4 times 0 you can say, and 0001. Okay, so let's see how it works. And you have seen here PA hiring. For our hiring we can use these info types, for promotions we can use these, and for termination these two, right? So here I have already mentioned here from 0000 to 0999 are the info types, and what are the use for them. You can see here 4 times 0 is used for actions, 0001 is used for organization assignments, 0002 used for personal data, 0006 for address, 0007 for planned working time. Suppose if somebody hired for the company, so obviously company has to maintain that person's data, so that is called a hiring, right? So what are the things required? Obviously once person joining in the company, so action should be maintained, his action should be maintained, and that is the what is the info type for action, that is 4 times 0. For organizational assignments 0001, such as you can see here for basic pay for employees should be maintained in info type 0008, and bank details should be maintained in 0009 as well. 0014 for recurring payment and deductions, and 0015 for additional payments. For PF you can see info type 0587 is there, and for other stat deductions PTax, ESI, LWF, for those 0588 info type is there, and for personal ID 0185 are there. Let me show you how it works and how we'll maintain the data. So let's go on server first. We'll put here SPRO. Let's click on SAP reference image. Let's go on personal management. You can see here personal management option is there. You can see here. I clicked on it. You can see after that personal administration, PA, PM, and then personal administration. I clicked on it. I expanded this, and now I'll go in customize procedure. After personal administration, you can see customize procedure. I'll click on it. I expanded this option. Now I'll click on actions. I'll click on actions. You can see here define info groups. Let's click on it. I clicked on it. I clicked on first. This is user group dependency on menu and info groups. I clicked on it. I double clicked on it. You can see here these are the, you can see on the screen, change view, user group dependency on menu and info groups. So here we can create the hiring actions using this entry. We can create the actions for hiring. So let's suppose I already have created my actions for hiring. So those are Smita hiring, Smita promotions, Smita termination. Let me do it again. Okay, for this I have given code for this actions code is 030402 likewise. So suppose if you are going to create new entry here, then make sure in menu these are the codes, right? So obviously you will have to choose the code, right? So make sure whatever code you are going to choose, whatever code you are going to use in new entry, though that code should not be existed in this menu. So already you can see 01, 02, 03, 04, 5 is missing here. 5 is not there, so we can use 5. So obviously we'll need 4 actions code, 3 actions code. One is for hiring, one is for promotion, because we are going to create actions for hiring, promotion and termination as well. So you can see here 05 is missing, so we can use 05. Now let's find what else we can use. 10 is there. So now from 04, 5 to 9 is missing here, right? So we can use 05, 06, 07, right, respectively. So let's click on new entry. Zero 05, 06 and 07 are the available codes. We can action code here. I'm putting my name so that we could recognize that this is the Maya entry, because there are so many entries here. Smita Singh hiring. Again Smita Singh promotion, and third one is Smita Singh termination. Now we'll in user department we'll click tick tick tick. Okay, and in reference this is the 40 for India. Country group code for India is 40, so we'll put here 40 in all of them, right? Let's click on enter and then click on save. Now this data will be saved in. Okay, after creating this user group dependency on menu and info group, we'll do it info group modifier later on. Now let's do info group. I'll click on it. I'll put here info group which we created for hiring. We created 05, right? So action code for hiring is 05. Now this page is opened. Now you can see 05 Smita Singh hiring. Let's click on new entry here. In user group, let's put 40. And info group modification may we can put here 05, right? Because the action type is 05. Now number series wise you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 respectively. In operations we can create INS for create, right? We are creating hiring actions, right? So we are creating actions for hiring. and in info type we are putting here info types 4 times 0. Let's do it. Let's repeat it again. 40 05. Here we can put 2 INS 0001. Okay. Now 40 05. Again serial number 3 INS create and 002 info type 0002 4005. I think you might be understanding why I'm putting here all this. This is the serial number 1234. This is the country grouping, user group 40, and info group modification may we can put here 0505 because this is the action type, right? 05, and this is the info type which we are creating for recruitment, for hiring, sorry. Now 0006. Let's click on 007. Sorry, 7 0008. Sorry, 8 0009. We'll create till this. Now INS again for everyone. INS will be there because we are creating actions for all input types here. Yeah, INS 5 serial number 6 7 05 again 05 again 05 again 40 40 40. Now let's click on enter. Yeah, you can see here what 4 times 0 is for actions of organizational assignments for. You can see here. All right. Now we'll click on save. Save. Okay. So now we have created the, all these info types for under the hiring, right? So likewise we'll create for others as well. Go back. Again go back. Now click on again info group. Again 06. Now we'll create for promotions respectively. Let's click on new entry. Again 40 info group 06 serial number 1. We are again creating info type 00 times 0. Let's see once. Yeah, for promotions we are creating 4 times 0 001 and 008. Yeah, 0001 and 0008. Again INS we are creating it. Again we are creating it. The serial number 01 02 03, and again this will be the same because we are creating it for promotions. And 40 in user group 40 will be there because it is India code. Now let's click on enter. You can see, right, 0008 for basic pay, 0001 for organizational assignments and actions. You can see, this is for 000. Now let's click on save. Okay, again this data will be saved. Again we created for promotions. Let's go back. Let's go back and follow the same process. Clicked on it. 05 06 07 is there. Let's click on it. Now termination, Smita Singh hiring termination. Let's click on new entry. Put 40 again. Yeah, 07 serial number 01 so 02 how many input groups have will have to update in this? 4 times 0 and 0001. Sorry. INS, INS, 4 times 0 and 0001. Let's click on enter. Now you can see we created these two. Let's click on save. Save. So now we can see we have created, all these. We have maintained hiring info groups, right? Info groups for hiring, info groups for promotions, and info groups for termination. So we have created info groups now. Now we'll go back and follow the next process. This option will do in, afterwards, like after doing some, I'll show you what we need to do next. Let's close the window